Fruit, fruit, wonderful fruit! Join us for an exciting adventure into the world of fruit and how it plays a special role in plant reproduction. Let's start with flowers, the seed-making factories of many plants. They're not just beautiful to look at, but they also play a vital role in creating the seeds for new plants to grow. Within each flower, you'll find a powdery substance called pollen. This pollen has a very important job: to create seeds. But the pollen can't do this on its own. It needs to travel from one part of the flower to another. This remarkable journey is known as pollination. Once the pollen has done its job, something extraordinary happens. The flower, having started to make seeds, transforms into a fruit. Fruits act as a protective shield for these precious seeds, ensuring they can grow and develop safely. Fruits come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some fruits like apples and berries are juicy and fleshy, while others like nuts are dry and tough. But they all share a common purpose: to safeguard the seeds and help them travel to new places where they can grow. In order for the pollen to make seeds, it often needs a little help getting from one flower to another. This is where our animal friends come in. An animal that helps move pollen from one flower to another is known as a pollinator. Flowers have clever ways to attract these helpful pollinators. They might display bright, appealing colours or produce a sweet treat known as nectar. This nectar draws in pollinators like bees, butterflies, beetles, and birds. When a pollinator visits a flower, the pollen sticks to the animal. As the pollinator moves from flower to flower, some of this pollen brushes off, enabling the flower to start its magical transformation from a seed-making factory into a protective fruit. Isn't the world of fruit a fascinating one? The next time you enjoy your favourite fruit, take a moment to think about its amazing journey from a beautiful flower to a protective fruit. All thanks to a little pollen and some helpful pollinators. Don't forget to subscribe!